Hey there, savvy savers. If you're looking to roll over your 401k from Betterment to Vanguard, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can handle it with confidence and minimize any hassle. First things first, a 401k rollover is simply transferring your retirement savings from one provider to another, like from Betterment to Vanguard, without triggering taxes or penalties, as long as you do it right. Why might you want to do this? Vanguard often has lower fees and a broader selection of investment options, which could help your money grow faster over time. Before diving in, make sure you're eligible. You can typically roll over if you've left a job, are retiring, or just want to consolidate accounts. But double check for any rules, like avoiding penalties if you're under 59.5 years old. Start by logging into your Betterment account and navigating to the Rollover or Transfer section. There, you'll find instructions on how to initiate the process. Next, if you don't already have one, open a Rollover IRA or the right type of account at Vanguard. This is straightforward. Head to their website, provide your details, and select your investment preferences. Once that's set up, Betterment will send you the necessary forms. Fill them out carefully, making sure to specify Vanguard as the receiving account. Submit them through Betterment's portal, and they'll handle the transfer request. The whole process might take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, so be patient. Keep an eye on your accounts during this time. After the funds move, log into your Vanguard account to confirm everything's in place and adjust your investments if needed. Watch out for any potential fees from either platform. They can add up, so factor that in beforehand. And remember, it's always smart to consult a financial advisor to ensure this rollover fits your long-term goals. There you have it. Rolling over your 401k doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's keep building that retirement nest egg together.